Hello everyone, just double check if I have the right screen. Alright, now let's start the video, how to set progress, see reports and some other details I need to explain you. First of all, you are seeing these different views. So if you right click in this big rectangle left hand from the columns and up from the rows, you have different views. For example, baseline, constraint dates. We can, as soon as possible, only to modify a bit, cost, and set, as you said, as you can see, how much money have actual, remaining, fixed cost, the actual cost, and the baseline, the default view, almost attach any other column, the earn value. In this case, I need to spend $600, but my performance is less. In the schedule, I have $560, so I have a negative schedule variance. So that is not good, and the difference between the budget and compliance. If I got to see their value by CPI, well, that money I'm spending the thing I promised, besides actual cost. The schedule, as you can see, the CPI, SPI, sorry, is less than 1, so I have a delay, so that is not good as expected. And here, I'm spending the money I set. So I have a CPI of 1, I need this CPI of 1, and all these calculations all these numbers have been calculated by Libre automatically. So there is no need to take your pencil and paper and do it manually. And general view. You can see the schedule, the free flag, the total flag, the latest start, summaries, tracking, and so on. Percentage, time, actual finish, and how can I see the progress? Let's go back to the CPM. You can double click on it and set the progress manually, activity by activity. That depends on what is the physical real progress inside or in the project. Or also, Libre has the option to update by activity. By selecting activity, you can update it regarding the date. Or if you want to go to the file, you can update and update the whole project. Let's set for the last date of November, an entire project. I don't want to adjust, because if I want to adjust only complete the task and finish by the date, but I want to just say, okay, I'm saying the progress, I believe as is set as planned, so I choose the percentage according to this date and my baseline. Or you can just schedule your job after that date. But now we only want to automate instead of having one by one. We click on OK. And also if we go to the earn value, now I have completed many of my activities. I want to go to schedule. Now the SPI is the same, like the time is the same as planned, and the same thing for SPI. This is how we calculate the error value. And everything, the only trigger is updating the performance again automatically from here by activity, clicking here in the task and update. You can update it by task or double clicking general and set the percentage completed. Another good thing that you need to know in the resource management, if you click on the resources and you double click in here, those are the details and the cost, and these tabs A, B, C, D, and E. Well, so those are the different costs, and we saw these resource usage here in the rates. So if we modify, we can you can use any of those options. And for jumping to that, something important to mention is also you can set the resource availability, the time, and the percentage of the time, and see the task. Now, trying to go to the report side, if we click in view, go to report, we have pretty details, and those are the reports I want you to print as PDF and send in your final assignment. Resource information, the earn value, the cost, the schedule, and the names. For task information, we have the default, the baseline, constraints, cost, the schedule, and examples. And who does that? Well, the list of the resource in which activities or tasks the resource has. I need all these reports because everything I'm asking for the last assignment. And this video is really quick because it's only reporting and summarizing and some shortcuts and how to set the progress to calculate the value method. Thank you for your patience and attention in all these videos. Again, if you have any question, please feel free to reach out, and thank you.